Hello guys, and today we are bird hunting. And surprisingly, just before I started filming, I got one. But unfortunately, it's down in these weeds, and I can't get to it. So, I can't really get it, but we'll try. And just earlier I was down talking with my uncle. He lives right there, if you could see that, if the tree wasn't in the way. And yeah, we might go ice fishing tomorrow if the lake is safe. Geez, I'm running down a hill. And if you do, I'll get a video for you guys tomorrow on that. Hope we catch something tomorrow. I hope the ice is good. Oh, this is going to be a struggle trying to get to this bird. I don't think I'll be able to get to it. I see it. Nope, that's not it. There it is. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't think you can. So, hopefully I can get it. I'll see you later if you see it. I'm back. We got him. I don't know what it is, but we finally got one. Oh shit. It's still twitching. We're just gonna check it back in the woods where it was. There it is. And we're gonna keep hunting, see if we catch anything else. That was very surprising. I just missed a huge flock of crows. Probably about 8 in the flock. And right in the tree. Took a shot. Missed it with this, my BB gun. And it was somewhat of a far shot. I'm disgusted with myself right now. It was a big crow. But see if you get anything. I missed another flock of birds. I probably should have got it. I took like 5 shots and somehow I just kept missing them and just wasn't good. We aren't done yet. We've only been out here for as long as I've been filming. Well, about like maybe 3 minutes longer or something like that. But I'm just disgusted with myself. I've missed 2 birds. I missed 2 flocks. And then a single bird, I get it. Like, guess what? I got another one. Yeah, finally. But it's in the weeds again. This is like the only spot where the birds are. What do you think I'm gonna do? Wait for them to come up in the trees or something? Like, they're down there and I can see them and it's a clear shot, so why shouldn't I just shoot them? Like, I know if there's a lot of views on this video, there's gonna be a lot of comments. Why the fuck did you shoot it? Why'd you shoot it? Why'd you shoot it? It's just a little bird. Because, like, my mom, we're sort of eating, like, a lot of our garden, and she wants some. Well, she wants some of them out of here. So there you go. I don't think I'm gonna get to this bird, but I know I got it. I saw it drop. 4 pumps. Put it right down. I'll try to maybe get to it. Right now, I can see it with my eyes. I don't think I can get the camera on it. I'm not quite sure. Maybe you can see it somewhere in there. I'm not sure. Somewhere in there. So, I'll see you later if I get anything else. I might be done a little bit. I'm sort of getting a little tired now because I've been walking around for quite a while. So, yeah. I actually got another one. It was really close. The flock of crows came back, and I was actually looking at that, and then all of a sudden there was this chirp really loudly behind me. I turned around, and it's sitting there right in the tree behind me, and I shot it. And it's a decent bird, very bloody. Oh shit, it's still alive. What the heck? It's still alive. Do you see it moving? What the heck? Guess I have to shoot it again. I shot it again and it was very bad. Got it though. It's dead now. Finally. Been out here for about half an hour already. So I've only got 3 freaking birds. Very frustrated with myself. See you later. If we get anything else, I'll see you later. And if, excuse me. And if we're done, I'll see you later.